Package source, PkGSrc, allows 1. Installing pre-built binary packages. 2. Packaging binaries into distributable. 3. Compiling own binaries from source files, which definitions on how to create, is found, in what is called a port tree. Package source is officially used by NetBSD, SmartOS, and Linux. Other operating systems, such as macOS and Linux, are supported by third-party vendors, as in Joyent, which is a software company, which is now a subsidiary of Samsung. Joyent actually develops the SmartOS operating system. This being said, Joyent has a website which allows installing package source on various distributions. Let us demonstrate how to install package source on macOS. Basically, you have the instructions which you need to follow. Joyent actually supports older macOS versions by providing a frozen-in-time version of packages that worked when these older macOS versions were fully supported by Apple. We will be installing package source on Catalina, so we just have to click on Mojave and follow the instructions. So first open the terminal, and next copy and paste the first 2 lines. Download the Bootstrap kit. Verify the checksum. Install the Bootstrap kit. Reload the path. For a good cheat sheet for Pagan, you can check this website, which link is found in the video description. You can always start by updating the database of available packages. Other stuff that you can do, or which this cheat sheet will teach you are viewing installed packages, searching for packages, installing packages, and many other tricks. This being said, to install pre-built binary packages, PkGen can be used.